Hello students, as we have completed your textual chapters in Flamingo, 2 chapters successfully we have completed, and in your Vistas, first chapter we have completed. So right now your literature part almost over for this month. Now let's move towards grammar. That one grammar topic I have already taught to you, and I made just the revision in that previous video, but this is very important for you. This is the transformation of sentences, and I have been never taught this one last year. So this is totally the new topic for all of you. So don't ignore this video. I know that you are big one, so you are ignoring the English video. But this time, whatever I am instructing you, it is always beneficial for you. So keeping this in your mind, you have to, you can say, watch the video very carefully. As soon as you are observing the video, in between, pause it and write down all the rules. Because whenever the school will open, I will not going to write all these rules and I will not going to revise the topic. Clear? This is the clear instructions to all of you. So whenever you observe this, you watch this video, parallelly you have to write all these rules. I will run in between because it is not possible to write all the rules over the board. So again I am instructing you, whenever you are observing this one, at that time parallelly you can write it. In between you can pause the video, write down the instruction. Pause the video, write down the instruction. This way you have to write the transformation of sentences, and this is very beneficial for you because in board exam always affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, interrogative, exclamatory, these all are coming. So I decided to teach all of these because our June course of literature part is over. So affirmative to negative, what is affirmative to negative? As you know that affirmative means the positive sentence, it means absence of not, never, this type of words, and negative means without changing the meaning we have to change it into negative by adding non, not, never, none. These type of sentences are always coming in the board exam, and at that time you are not able to solve it. And for my commerce students, you especially in 12 commerce, section C is only of this grammar. Okay, in 12 science maybe if MCQ part is there, then it will ask in MCQ form. 4 options are there for 12 science students, but we can't sure that what is the this year's paper style. So you should be ready. And my 12 commerce students, all of you know that your section C is only of grammar. So these all sentences one by one can come. You know all the transformation as soon as, no sooner than, simple complex component. I have already taught this in last year, but this is new for you. So considering this, that this is important, that's why the madam is giving so much introduction before starting the topic. Clear? So now let's start the topic. As you know, I have written over here affirmative to negative. Means the sentence that come in affirmative form and we have to change it into negative. So here rule 1. There are so many rules in my diary, and listen students, I haven't written from any other book. It is my own, I have written with all the rules. So in other textbook that you are considering, चलो देख लेंगे, दूसरे बुक में से लिख लेंगे, don't do the mistake, because ये मैंने खुद ने बनाए हैं और लिखे हैं. ये कहीं पे भी तुमको बुक में, तुम लोग कितने भी बुक देख लो, ये रूल्स नहीं मिलेंगे. क्लियर? सो तुम लोगों को मैंने इजी टॉपिक करने के लिए ये रूल्स लिखे हैं, सो तुम लोगों को उस तरह से जाना है. सो रूल 1 में देखो, तुमको मैंने सेंटेंस लिखा है कि ओनली, अलोन, मेयरली. अगर क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं, लिसन, अभी मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा हिंदी यूज करूंगी क्योंकि तुम्हारे दिमाग में ग्रामर जाना बहुत जरूरी है. ओनली, अलोन, मेयरली, if given in the question, then it is replaced by none but if person is there, nothing but if thing is there. Okay, so here I have written one example. He has only a ball. Now see, he is talking about a ball. Okay, he is talking about a ball. So what we have to take? Nothing but. Because this is the affirmative sentence you are having and you have to change it into negative. So see here, your object is non-living thing. And you know, only is given in the question. Here, if only is there, alone is there, merely is there. It is replaced by none but. If person is there, he has a child. He has only a one child. Suppose this question is there. He has only a one child. Suppose one that question I have changed. So ball becomes child. So it is a person, living thing. So we can take none but. Okay. Now here a ball is a thing. So while changing it to negative, I write here he has what comes? Nothing. Nothing but a ball. This is the answer. So I changed this only to nothing but. Clear? Suppose he has only a one child. This is the question you are having. So what you are write? He has none but a child. वन लिखने की भी जरूरत है. ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. तुमको समझ में आया? अगेन आई विल रिपीट. अगर ओनली दिया है क्वेश्चन, इफ ओनली इज देयर, you can replace the only with nothing but it depends on the thing and person. Suppose here in the question you have given thing, so I replace it with nothing but. Suppose here any person comes or non-living thing comes, then you can replace it with none but. This is your rule now. Clear? Now let's move towards rule 2. What the rule 2 is saying? Suppose must is given in the question. Suppose must is given in the question, then it is replaced by. Suppose must is given, then it is replaced by cannot but, cannot help. But suppose you are going to take help, then always add ing to the word. Okay. So let's see what is the answer. We must obey our parents. Must should be replaced with cannot but. So I have written we cannot but obey our parents. This is the answer I have written. We cannot obey must I replace with cannot but. Clear? We cannot but obey our parents. Suppose I want to take with cannot help. This is the another answer. Or then the answer is we cannot help. Then what I said? Your verb is obey. So it attaches with ing. Then it becomes obeying. We cannot help obeying our parents. This is your rule 2. Clear? एक बार फिर से समझते रहे. If in the question must is there, it is replaced with cannot but or cannot help. But suppose if you are going to take help, cannot help, then add ing to the verb. Here we must obey our parents. Must is replaced with cannot but or cannot help. Okay? Then obey is your verb here. So whenever obey is the verb, if you are taking cannot but, then there is no need directly write obey. But if you are going to take cannot help, then it becomes obey becomes obeying. That is the change. ये समझ में आया rule 2? Say yes. Okay. Now move towards rule 3. Now in rule 3, everyone, everybody. Supposing the question is given, everyone, everybody, any common noun, all that type of words is given. Then if you want to make it into negative, then always attach with there is no plus attached word जो भी उसके साथ जुड़ा होगा वो and but. Okay, so here I have written every mother loves her child. This is the question I have written over here. Every mother loves her child. So here there is no. Every changes to every replaced by there is no. There is no. Then attached word is every के बाद जो भी attached word है क्या है common noun mother. Okay, everyone, everybody. So I replace this with there is no. Or attached word means here common noun is mother. So there is no mother. Then but there is no mother but loves her child. These are very important rules for all of you to keep in your mind. Actually, at the beginning, it is very hard for you that you are thinking, ma'am, so many rules, and it is very tough for me, us to learn. But slowly and gradually, if you are practicing this, this is very easy for you. What I have done here, I replaced everything. There is no mother is the common noun here, so there is no mother. I have written. Then in the format, after the attached word but comes, so I have written but. There is no mother but loves her child. This is the negative sentence I made from the affirmative. This is your rule 3. Okay. Now let's move to rule 4. If as soon as is there, you know very well, because last year very nicely we have practiced this as soon as and no sooner in every test in commerce especially. In every weekly test I asked this one, and in science also I made the practice of these sentences. So this is very easy for you. That is rule 4. What is your rule 4? If as soon as is there, it changes to no sooner, that you know. Take the example. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. This is the question you have given. So if you want to change it, then I write no sooner. Okay. No sooner, then take had. No sooner had the thief seen, because whenever we are taking had, always V3 comes. That I already have been taught to you. So no sooner had the thief seen the police than he ran away. This is the negative sentence I made from the affirmative one. Suppose this is very easy format. As soon as is given, then you can change with no sooner. Take had. If you want to take did, then you can take it. But had, most probably you have to take had with it. So no sooner had the thief seen the police than he ran away. This is the question. So student, here 4 rules we have completed. Okay. So I have to write the next rules also. So I don't have the space over here. So what I have to, अभी मैं इसको रब कर दूंगी, बराबर? और मैं जब रब करूंगी तो तुम लोगों को क्या करना है, यहाँ पे वीडियो को पॉज कर देने का, सुन रहे हो? और उसके बाद ये पहले सब कुछ लिख लेना है. देन आफ्टर यू राइट द नेक्स्ट वन. क्लियर? लिख लोगे ना? और जो नहीं लिखेगा उनको पता है जब स्कूल रीओपन होगी और ये किसी ने अगर मुझे कुछ एक्सक्यूज करके बताया तो तुमको पता है तुम्हारी हालत क्या होगी. क्लियर? लॉस इज योर्स ओनली, स्पेशली 12th साइंस एंड कॉमर्स दोनों, क्योंकि ये तुम्हारे बहुत ही काम का है. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टीचिंग यू वेरी इन डिटेल, आई कैन से. सो यहाँ पे ये जो 4 रूल्स हमने पढ़े आए हैं तुमको ये समझ में आए होंगे. ये 4 रूल्स होने के बाद मैं बोर्ड अभी रब करने वाली हूँ. ओके, मैं वीडियो पॉज नहीं करूँगी, तुमको वीडियो पॉज करना है. मैं बोर्ड रब करूँगी और तुम लोगों को ये रूल लिखने के बाद आगे के रूल्स में अभी कंटिन्यू करने वाली हूँ. तो अभी मैं बोर्ड रब कर रही हूँ. ओके. not only but also. This is your rule 5. You know this is the transformation. तुम लोगों को ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पता है. सपोज एग्जाम्पल बोथ साहिल एंड स्वयं were excited. This is the affirmative sentence you have given. You have to change it into negative. So how you can do it? Not only Sahil, but also Swayam were excited. So I made here the change. Rule 5. What is your rule 5? Suppose in the question both dash 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 and is given, it is replaced with not only but also. The example is both Sahil and Swayam. See, both and. Okay. Both Sahil and Swayam were excited. This is the question you are having. You change it into negative like this. Not only Sahil but also Swayam were excited. This is the negative form. This is your rule 5. Now rule 6. Rule 6 shows that suppose in the question and is given and in bracket it join two words. It join two words. It is replaced also with not only but also. Suppose the example he was obedient and gentle. This is the question. He was obedient and gentle. Here and is given and this and is joining the two words. And suppose I want to change it into negative, then he was not only obedient but also gentle. So this is the change I have done here. He was obedient and gentle. Okay, and is given and then and is joining the two words. If suppose that type of question is there, then here no more change we are finding out. Here not only but also we have used. Here also we have used not only but also. Only the here both and comes and here only and is there. So he was obedient and gentle. I replaced it with he was not only obedient but also gentle. Now rule 7. Rule 7 is saying that suppose absolute superlative degree is there. Absolute superlative degree is given in the question. Then it is replaced with no other plus attached word plus so plus positive form plus as plus subject. Means here this is very easy. This is the transfer degree comparison, degree of comparison. Why? Because its superlative degree is there. You can change it into comparative and positive. You know very well. But here, if you have given the affirmative sentence in superlative form and you have to change it into negative, then only use positive degree. No comparative degree you can use here. So here see, this is the format of your positive degree. Let's take one one example. Suppose example is given, Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. This is the question. You know, this is superlative degree. This is superlative. So, what is its positive? You know very well. No other city in Bangladesh. No other city in Bangladesh is so big as subject is Dhaka. ये तुम लोगों को पता है, डिग्री ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन हम लोगों ने लास्ट ईयर पढ़ा था, तुमको आता ही है. बट अगेन जस्ट डू द रिवीजन. क्या है ये? अफर्मेटिव है. देखो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मीन्स इसमें सब कुछ आ गया. जैसे ये क्वेश्चन जो है, दिस इज ही वाज ओबीडिएंट एंड जेंटल, ये तुम्हारा कौन सा क्वेश्चन है पता है? बोलो तो. ये तुम्हारा कंपाउंड सेंटेंस है. और इसको मैंने किस में किया? ही वाज नॉट ओनली ओबीडिएंट बट आल्सो जेंटल. किस में किया मैंने? कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाया. मीन्स इसमें तुम लोग पैरेलली क्या पढ़ रहे हो? सिंपल कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड भी पढ़ रहे हो, डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन भी पढ़ रहे हो, एज सून एज भी पढ़ रहे हो, नो सूनर भी पढ़ रहे हो, नॉट ओनली बट आल्सो भी पढ़ रहे हो. मींस each and everything comes in transformation. That is why I have given the heading transformation of sentences. Now see, this is Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Actually this is the superlative degree you have given, and what you have changed it into positive. Means what? Here the affirmative sentence is also Dhaka is the biggest city. This is the affirmative sentence, and you have to change it into negative by changing the degree of comparison from superlative to positive. What is student? इजी है कि नहीं? धीरे धीरे हम लोग जाएंगे तो तुम लोगों को क्या है, इसके बाद मैं एक्सरसाइज भी दूंगी, बट अभी हमारे रूल्स लिखने बाकी है. ये रूल्स अगर तुम्हारे क्लियर हो जाते हैं, इफ यू वांट गुड मार्क्स इन इंग्लिश अबो 80 अबो 90, देन यू विल गेट इट. बट उसके लिए तुम्हें ये पूरा ग्रामर जो क्लियर होना चाहिए. ओके, तो देखो एब्सोल्यूट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इज रिप्लेस्ड विद पॉजिटिव डिग्री. This is the format actually I have written, but there is no need I think so, because you have already written all this format. And this is the example. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. So no other city in Bangladesh is as big as you can take. Okay, but I have written so big as Dhaka. If you have written as here, then it is correct. No need means it is not wrong sentence. This is your rule 7. Okay. In next lecture, I will teach rule 8. And how many rules? Actually total 10 rules are there. So in next lecture I will teach rule 8, 9 and 10. And then after I will give the exercise to you. You have supposed to do the exercise also. And again I am reminding you, don't take it lightly. This is a very important topic. Okay? Once you know how to do the transformation, then parallelly you are learning as soon as, no sooner, simple, complex, compound, not only but also. Okay, all this. So take this topic serious and do it very punctually or honestly, you can say. With this I am ending my lecture here. Bye.